One of my favorite things about camping is cooking over an open fire. That being said, it's not always easy to find a compact and lightweight grill that produces enough heat for a decent cook. Portable grills for RV and camping have quite a few different components compared to your regular grill, so it's essential you know what you're looking for. There are many portable grills for RV to choose from with different features and prices. I've researched and compiled a list of the best portable grills for RV from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Charbroil Portable Convective Propane Gas Grill. The Charbroil Portable Convective Propane Gas Grill is a compact powerhouse for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, fueled by a 1-pound liquid propane tank. Not included, this grill quickly reaches and maintains high temperatures for efficient grilling. With a generous 190 square inch cooking area, it can accommodate up to 8 burgers, 6 steaks, or 12 brats simultaneously. Boasting an 11,000 BTU rating, the grill features porcelain-coated wire grates that ensure fast warm-up and heat recovery while remaining lightweight and easy to clean. The single control knob allows for simple temperature adjustment, while sturdy, heat-resistant side handles facilitate easy transportation and repositioning. Assembly is minimal, with step-by-step instructions provided for convenience. Number 2. Coleman Road Trip Propane Grill. The Coleman Road Trip Propane Grill is a versatile and powerful outdoor cooking solution, offering up to 20,000 total BTS across its 3 adjustable burners, with improved burner technology. This grill provides more precise temperature control for perfect results every time. The generous 285 SKU-inch grilling area accommodates plenty of food for family and friends, while the integrated thermometer allows for accurate temperature monitoring, designed for convenience and portability. The grill features sturdy quick-fold legs and wheels for easy setup and transportation. This iron-containing product combines durability with functionality, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating events, or backyard barbecues. Number 3. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is the ultimate solution for on-the-go grilling enthusiasts. With its innovative one-handed setup and collapse mechanism, this grill seamlessly attaches to the cart, ensuring quick and effortless preparation. Its compact fold design maximizes space efficiency, fitting snugly in your garage or car trunk without compromising on functionality. Boasting a generous grilling area capable of accommodating up to 15 burgers, the Weber Traveler allows you to cook entire meals simultaneously, perfect for group gatherings or family outings. Engineered to optimize gas usage, this grill delivers both performance and efficiency. Versatility is key, as you can choose between attaching a 16 Oz. Number 4. Z-Grill's Portable Pellet Smoker Small Mini Grill. The Z-Grill's Portable Pellet Smoker Small Mini Grill is a compact powerhouse designed for on-the-go grilling enthusiasts. Measuring just 25 by 20 by 13 inches, this portable grill is perfect for any outdoor adventure. With its versatile functionality, you can grill, broil, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, sear, and char your favorite foods. Offering both hot and fast or low and slow cooking options, the advanced PID controller maintains temperatures between 180 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit with impressive accuracy, ensuring perfect results every time. Premium features include an LCD screen and meat probes for easy temperature monitoring, while the large hopper capacity allows for up to 10 hours of low and slow smoking without refills. The non-stick grill surface makes cleanup a breeze. Number 5. Royal Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill. The Royal Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill is the ultimate companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. This versatile grill comes with a PVC cover, protecting it from sun exposure, water spots, and dust when not in use. Its compact design allows for easy transportation in your car trunk and convenient placement on countertops, making it ideal for picnics, camping trips, patio nights, or any outdoor cooking adventure. The griddle's versatility shines as it enables everyone to customize their perfect meal, whether it's sizzling burgers, juicy sausages, crispy bacon, fluffy eggs, or gooey grilled cheese sandwiches. Boasting 3 separately controlled burners, this powerhouse generates an impressive 26,400 BTR cooking power. The adjustable heat zones offer precise temperature control from low to high, ensuring optimal cooking conditions for various dishes. With its portability, convenience, and powerful performance, the Royal Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill elevates your outdoor cooking experience, allowing you to create delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.